seaside were welcomed by a bit of a surprise.
The sea is the heartbeat of life. It provides food, livelihoods, and a source of wonder. It links our islands, shields our coasts, and nurtures countless species. The ocean is not just our heritage, it is our future, a vital gift that sustains humanity. Yet today, this lifetime is under threat. Plastic wastes invade our waters. Coral reefs are declining, and the marine life is vanishing. The ocean that once gave endlessly is now calling for our care and protection.
Every year, tons of plastic goes in our ocean. And the sad reality is the sea is changing. And our community is the first one to feel this change.
Our oceans are in danger. Plastic pollution, overfishing, and industrial waste are turning our source in life into a source of crisis.
Our ocean is not just wave and seas. It's the place where people, jobs for millions, and children a heart for many cultures and traditions. The provision parks and coastal communities. The sea itself is the life.
Suffers when it's polluted, damaged, or overfished. People suffer too. Families lose their livelihoods, foods becomes unsafer, and cultures put into risk. That's why we act to protect both people and oceans that sustains us.
We act because the future of our cities is the future of our children. A healthy ocean means food security, jobs, and a safe planet. And every small action counts, whether it's refusing single-use plastic, joining a cleanup, or sharing awareness. Each act creates a ripple, and together, those ripples from a powerful wave, together we can make a sea change.
Join us, protect our oceans, be part of Sea Change.